What's up people? So I hope आपको मसूरी की सीरीज पसंद आ रही है. 2 videos are out, links are attached in this video. In case अगर आपको चैनल पे जाना है तो आप चैनल पे भी देख सकते हैं. The 2 videos are out, so don't miss it and show some more love. Now coming back to this third video of Masuरी series, I'm gonna cover 2 topics in this video. The first one is waterfall, जो कि hotspot waterfall है. One is exceptional because लोगों ने मुझे कहा था, recommend किया था कि when you go to this hostel side, you will see one secret waterfall is there around, so I just went there, so that will be there. Don't forget to miss this video till the end, so you should also know what is this secret waterfall. And the other topic is Landor and the things to do in Landor. What is the real situation and the current scenario in Landor? What are the places that is open that you can visit while you're walk in Landor? So let's get this started. So मैंने एक दिन के लिए स्कूटी रेंट पे लिया था, 2 व्हीलर, टू कवर दीज opposite side hotspot in Mussoorie. And the very first thing which I decided to cover on this day is to go to visit Kempty Falls. Well, if you ask some of the people about the Kempty Falls, so they might say कि वहाँ पे मत जाना, Kempty Fall is not worth it. The reason being because of the crowd. बहुत ज़्यादा overcrowded रहता है and it's getting too much of commercialized. Maybe कुछ लोग को वो पसंद आता है, कुछ लोग को नहीं आता. लेकिन हॉटस्पॉट है तो मुझे तो ज़रूर जाना था. So that's why I've been there to visit this Kempty Fall for you, to let you know, to show you what is this Kempty Fall about and how is this look like and वहाँ पे crowd कैसा है, so that you guys can decide whether you wanted to go or not. So I parked my vehicle, walked for around 5 minutes or so. Try to avoid covering waterfall during rainy weather because natural force का चक्कर रहता है, क्योंकि जो नेचुरल फोर्स आता है रेनी सीजन के टाइम पे, इट बिकम्स टू मच ऑफ फास्ट फोर्स, सो दैट दे से they don't allow anyone to go nearby to that waterfall जहाँ पे अभी जो लोग नहा रहे हैं वहाँ पे वो सिर्फ ये सारा क्लोज हो जाता है. So try to avoid to visit all the waterfalls in general when in rainy season. With these places I won't provide any kind of feedback. आपको दिख रहा है, so it's up to you if you wanted to go to visit this waterfall. So totally up to you. यहाँ पे खाने पीने का भी option है and you see the tramp and ropeway service are also available. तो जाना, अगर आपको उस ropeway से जाना है तो you have option to spend 150 rupees आने जाने का, which is open right from 9 AM till 5 PM. So the route you will take for going Kempty is towards Company Garden वाला road and वहाँ से 2 रास्ते कटेंगे. वैसे तो maps are always helpful. Also use the online maps because it was helpful in Mussoorie. So you can also use it online and offline map, whichever is comfortable for you. Well, while returning from Kempty, I saw this Himalayan Institute, which is famous for lots of adventure activities, but it was closed during that time. So once I completed my Kempty Falls and saw this Himalayan Institute, I decided to cover this secret waterfall, which people recommended me when they were staying in nearby hostel or in hostel. But मैं जब वहाँ गई तो मेरा यहाँ पे पोपट हो गया था. क्यों? बिकॉज मैंने हॉस्टल में एक्चुअली वैसे पूछा था वेयर इज दिस सीक्रेट वाटरफॉल एंड दे डायरेक्टेड मी, तो मैं उसी रास्ते पे मैं चल दी थी. द वाटरफॉल हैज़ नो नेम. एक्चुअली इट हैज़ नो नेम, इट इज़ जस्ट नेम्ड एज सीक्रेट वाटरफॉल. जो कि वहाँ रहते थे उन लोगों ने ही नाम दे दिया है. बिकॉज अब किसी से पूछ रही थी मैं सीक्रेट वाटरफॉल कहाँ है, वो कह रहा सीक्रेट है, कैसे पता चलेगा. Okay, thanks. So these kind of responses I was getting when I was asking for secret waterfall. So anyways, तो मैंने वो जो हॉस्टल में भैया थे उन्होंने जो रूट बताया था, I just followed that route and so I walked for approx 8 minutes or so. काफ़ी जंगल वाला रास्ता था, थोड़ा स्कैरी था, कहीं कांटे मिले तो कहीं स्नेक्स का मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा डर लग रहा था. बाकी जंगल वाइब तो ठीक है, स्नेक ना मिल जाए वरना तो मेरी लग जाती है अच्छी खासी. And finally I saw this. अब तुमको इसे जो समझना है समझ लो। आई नो दिस इज़ नॉट अ सीक्रेट वाटरफॉल, जो मैंने देखा है, मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने जो भेजा था सीक्रेट वाटरफॉल ऐसा है, बट आई डिड नॉट गो अप बिकॉज बीइंग अ सोलो ट्रैवलर और बहुत जंगल टाइप का रास्ता आ गया था, एंड आई वाज गेटिंग इट वाज गेटिंग अ लिटिल स्कैरी फॉर मी। सो इट वॉज ऑल्सो अ नाइस सूदिंग प्लेस। आराम से मैं बैठी हुई थी, चिल मार रही थी, ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं बैठी थी बिकॉज वहाँ पे भी खतरा था। So yeah, this was my waterfall for me nearby Zostel. So in case if you land up by any chance at this place, so you won't regret it for sure because it's also a soothing one. And then after completing this waterfall, I went to the another hotspot waterfall in Mussoorie, which is Bhatta waterfall. यहाँ जाने के लिए you need to go downhill from Mussoorie, means उस direction में जाना है जहाँ से आप देहरादून से आते हैं। Again, you can use the map for better directions, no need to worry about it. So after parking my vehicle here, I went downside to see another fall, which was not so crowded and decent enough to enjoy and to do some kind of activity. You have an option to go, via ropeway again here. यहाँ पे भी ropeway का option available है, so you can use that if you wanted to. So the charges are like 200 rupees per person आने जाने का. And to enter in this activity zone, charges are as 50 rupees per person. The activities are zip line, giant swing, a trampoline, bull ride. I will leave details more about the activities in the description along with the contact details in case if you have any doubts or something, so don't miss to read the description. So well, this comes to an end of my first topic of this video, which is waterfall. So yes, I covered these 3 waterfalls only. First was Kempty waterfall, and right from returning from the Kempty waterfall, I went to Zostel nearby this Mera Khoj wala secret waterfall or whatsoever waterfall, and then I decided to go to visit Bhatta waterfall. So Kempty fall the other end, Bhatta fall is on the other end. So that these are the 3 places that I've covered in half of the day. Next, let's move to our another topic, which is Landor. So from Mussoorie Library Chowk to Landor, drive is around 7 kilometers approx, which one can cover in 30 minutes. I won't tell you here about about the story of Landor is situated and what is the history behind this beautiful town, but more would like to tell you about the current situations and the scenario. What are the things that you can cover in Landor and how you can spend your one day. Even if you have half day, how you can spend it better. So these are the things that I'm gonna cover. So let's go, come along. First thing is very famous is Char Dukaan, which is more like a basic shop to have some coffee and snacks. Well, I'll talk more about in details when I'll release my cafe video of Mussoorie. Second thing is what you guys can cover is St. Paul's Church, which was next to Char Dukaan. जब तक मैं पहुंची थी हाफ डे में इट वॉज क्लोज्ड, बट आप अंदर जा सकते हैं, गेट खोल सकते हैं, फोटोग्राफ्स ले सकते हैं, शांति से आराम से बैठ सकते हैं. यू कैन हैव योर पीस, यू कैन हैव योर मीन टाइम. सो दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट यू can enjoy. This is the second thing that I would recommend. Third thing is that you guys can cover and see in Landor is to visit Kellogg Church, which was so gorgeous and different from any other church which I have seen. That weather is adding a charm to that church, so it was good. This is the third thing that I would recommend to visit and to explore while you are in Landor. Now, fourth point is Lal Tibba Point, which is considered as one of the highest peak in Mussoorie. टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई थॉट कि ये ट्रैक है एकदम प्रॉपर ट्रैक, मतलब थोड़ा चलना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा हाइक करना पड़ेगा, बट इट इज़ ईजी एक्सेसिबल with your 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler, even by walk also. It won't take much of time, I guess around 15 to 20 minutes or so. That's the max one can take to reach to that Lal Tibba. fifth thing that you guys can cover while in Landor is Landor Bakehouse. Again, it will come in my cafe release. और मैंने अंदर की भी वीडियो निकाली है, थोड़ा secretly निकाली है because it was not allowed to do videography. You can take photographs as much as you want, but videography was not allowed. But मैंने निकाल ली थी. So that I will show you in my cafe video. To talk about Landor Bakehouse, it is in the Sisters Market. I went there to explore some sister market, but again it was closed because of the weather. I guess only because of the weather. That was it about the fifth point I would suggest to while you going to Sister Bazaar, visit Landor Bakehouse. And the last sixth thing, one of the best thing that you guys can do while in Landor is to walk. Walk peacefully, walk with your partner, walk in a group, walk with family, or walk solo like me. So these are the things that you guys can do if you have one day or half day when you are in Landor. So people, this was all about the details of Kempty Fall, Bhatta Fall, Secret Fall and Landor. If you still have any questions about the current situation or any other thing, I'm just one comment away, or you can ask me any questions on my Instagram handle as well, which is called Khao Local Ghumo Global. And hence the video comes to an end, but not the series. I'll see you guys in my next release. Till then, travel safe, stay safe and explore the world with care. Salam.